Malik leaves his house and drives 7 miles west. He then turns and drives 5 miles north. How far away is he from his house? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. To help us solve this problem, I've drawn a compass. As stated in the word problem, it says Malik leaves his house, so we're going to put his house right in the middle, and he drives 7 miles west. So I drew a line towards the west and labeled it 7 miles. Then it says he drives 5 miles north. So after he drives west 7 miles, he turns and goes north 5 more miles. Connect your lines to create a right triangle. As you can see, they're asking us to find the diagonal, which is C. That means our other two sides are A and B. Now we can use Pythagorean's theorem to solve this problem. From our drawing, you can see that A was 5, B was 7, and we are solving for C. Now we evaluate the exponents. 5 to the second power is 25, 7 to the second power is 49, and we are left with C squared on the other side. 25 plus 49 is 74, which equals C squared. When you take the square root of 74, you end up with 8.6023 and so on. They asked us to round to the nearest tenth. So I've underlined the tens place. Find your place, look next door, 5 or greater, add 1 more, 4 or less, stay at rest. This is less than 4, so we will leave 6 alone and it will stay at rest. So our final answer is 8.6 miles.